Ahoy! Let's think. Today we answer the question, what is chocolate? Imagine a long time ago in warm, wet places like Mexico, there was a special tree called the cacao tree that grew big pods filled with little beans. These little beans tasted yucky and bitter at first, but the people who lived there thought these beans were special, like a treasure. They would grind them up and mix them with water and sometimes spicy stuff to make a drink. Then some people from far away came to visit and they saw these special beans. They took them back to their home, but they didn't really know what to do with them because they tasted yucky. But then they started to try new things. They learned that if they warmed up the beans like toasting bread and then squished them really well, they could make a dark, gooey paste. The really yummy part happened when they added sweet things like sugar to this gooey paste. This is why the yucky bean turned into the yummy chocolate we all love. Making chocolate today is still a bit like magic. First, farmers pick the big cacao pods from the trees, then they scoop up the beans inside. These beans take a little nap in a warm place for a bit, which helps them get their yummy chocolate flavor. After that, they dry in the sun like little sunbathers. Next, the beans go into a big oven for a warm-up, which makes them smell even more chocolatey. Then they are cracked open, and the outside shell comes off, leaving the yummy inside parts. This liquid gets mixed with sugar and milk if it's milk chocolate, and then it goes into special machines that make it super smooth, like pudding. Finally, it gets poured into shapes like bars and bunnies, cools down to get hard, and then it's wrapped up for you to eat and enjoy. So that's how a little bitter bean from a faraway tree turns into a sweet chocolate treat we all love. So that answers the question, what is chocolate? That took some thinking.